going to make small pleats. Now I'm going to place these pleats inside the leg and using a pin I'm going to secure it. Just lift the leg a little bit and move the frills inside. Now I cut two 10 by 5 inch fabric pieces. First I'm going to make some pleats just like regular sari pleats with small pleats. So here I have the pleats and this side I left it loose, and to this corner here I'm going to place these pleats and press it down. Now I'm going to slowly take this and wrap it around the leg like this, and here we have the pleats of the dhoti. In the back side I'm using some pins to secure this fabric. I'm going to use a toothpick to gently press this fabric inside like this. I'm not going to use any pins, just gently press this down here. Arranging the lace like the border of the dhoti. Just like sari pleats, small pleats. Now I'm going to pin it inside like this. Slowly I'm going to get all the frills down here near the leg and form the dhoti. I'm going to just turn it in the back, use a pin to secure the fabric. The dhoti is looking so cute.